Okay, so another quick Louis on Earth experience. Um, Today I found out something nice. I can get free bananas from a place very close to me. They're the green bananas and they're the ones that's a little bit damaged, so they can't sell them. But I get them for free. So I also found a great way how to store them. This looks like a pizza box. But I wonder what's inside there. Ooh, bananas. Because these bananas, when they're inside cardboards like this, they ripen faster. I've got another one here. Taste fresh and delicious. Fresh and delicious bananas. So yeah, I'm storing them there. Also, I got a little bit more. So I'm storing them here. Hopefully the rats are not gonna get to them like they did last time. So yeah, we wait until these bananas are really, when they're green like this, you can already use them. You just boil them in hot water for like 10 minutes and then you take off the peels and you drain the water. You put new water and you boil them again, or they just basically taste like potatoes. Very, very good. Green, clean, green and clean. But like with these little ones, when you wait for them to be like really, really ripe, gold, like yellow with the brown spots, then this is exactly what bonobo monkeys like. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And like, subscribe, join the channel, and you'll see what I do with this in another episode. The Wonderful World of Louis.